Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to achieve financial freedom, personal development, and make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with zero investment in 2023. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need any money to start earning online. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and some skills or passion. Sounds too good to be true? Well, keep watching and I'll prove it to you. In this video, you will learn the 5 best ways to make money online with zero investment in 2023, the pros and cons of each method, the tips and resources to help you get started and succeed, the potential income you can earn from each method. So, if you're ready to learn how to make money online with zero investment in 2023, then let's get started. The first way to make money online with zero investment in 2023 is by freelancing. Freelancing is when you offer your skills or services to clients online. You can do anything from writing, designing, programming, teaching, consulting, and more. Freelancing is a great way to make money online because you can work from anywhere and anytime. You can choose your own projects and rates. You can showcase your talent and build your portfolio. You can earn a lot of money if you have high-demand skills. However, freelancing also has some drawbacks, such as you have to compete with other freelancers for clients and jobs. You have to deal with irregular income and payments. You have to manage your own taxes and expenses. You have to handle client communication and feedback. To start freelancing, you need to create a profile on a freelance platform like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Showcase your skills and portfolio on your profile. Bid on projects or gigs that match your skills and interests. Deliver high-quality work and get positive reviews from clients. The potential income you can earn from freelancing depends on your skills, experience, and demand. According to PayScale, the average hourly rate for freelancers in India is 500 Indian rupees. However, some freelancers can earn much more than that if they have specialized or niche skills. The second way to make money online with zero investment in 2023 is by blogging. Blogging is when you create a website or a platform where you share your knowledge, opinions, or stories on a specific topic or niche. Blogging is a great way to make money online because you can express yourself and share your passion with the world. You can build an audience and a loyal fan base. You can monetize your blog in various ways, such as ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or products. You can create passive income streams that generate money even when you sleep. However, blogging also has some challenges, such as you have to invest time and effort to create quality content regularly. You have to drive traffic and visitors to your blog using SEO, social media, or other methods. You have to deal with technical issues and maintenance of your blog. You have to be patient and consistent before you see results. To start blogging, you need to choose a niche or a topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable about. Choose a domain name and a hosting service for your blog. Choose a blogging platform like WordPress, Blogger, or Medium. Create and publish engaging and useful content on your blog. Promote your blog and grow your audience using SEO, social media, or other methods. The potential income you can earn from blogging depends on your niche, traffic, and monetization methods. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for bloggers in India is 2.5 Indian rupees lakhs per year. However, some bloggers can earn much more than that if they have a large and loyal audience. The third way to make money online with zero investment in 2023 is by doing online surveys. Online surveys are when you answer questions or give feedback on various topics or products for research or marketing purposes. Online surveys are a fun and easy way to make money online because you can do them anytime and anywhere. You don't need any skills or qualifications. You can earn rewards like cash, gift cards, or coupons. You can learn new things and share your opinions. However, online surveys also have some limitations, such as you may not qualify for every survey. You may not get paid immediately or directly. You may not get many surveys or high-paying surveys. You may have to deal with spam or scams. To start doing online surveys, you need to sign up for a legitimate and reputable survey site like Swipebox, SurveyJunkie, or Toluna. Complete your profile and verify your email. Take surveys that match your profile and interests. Redeem your rewards for cash or gift cards. The potential income you can earn from online surveys depends on the number and type of surveys you complete. According to Money Connection, the average pay for online surveys in India is 100 Indian rupees to 500 Indian rupees per survey. However, some surveys can pay more than that if they are longer or more complex. The fourth way to make money online with zero investment in 2023 is by creating a YouTube channel. YouTube is the most popular video sharing platform in the world, where you can upload and watch videos on various topics and categories. YouTube is a great way to make money online because you can showcase your creativity and personality. You can reach a global and diverse audience. You can monetize your channel in various ways, such as ads, memberships, merchandise, or sponsorships. You can create a personal brand and a loyal fan base. However, creating a YouTube channel also has some challenges, such as you have to invest in equipment and software to create quality videos. You have to follow YouTube's policies and guidelines. You have to grow your channel and views using SEO, social media, or other methods. You have to deal with competition and criticism. To start creating a YouTube channel, you need to choose a niche or a topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable about. Create a Google account and a YouTube channel. Create and upload engaging and useful videos on your channel. Promote your channel and grow your subscribers using SEO, social media, or other methods. The potential income you can earn from creating a YouTube channel depends on your niche, views, and monetization methods. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, the average earnings for YouTube creators in India is 0.15 Indian rupees per view. However, some YouTube creators can earn much more than that if they have a large and loyal audience. The fifth and final way to make money online with zero investment in 2023 is by selling photos online. If you have a knack for photography or a good camera, you can sell your photos online to various platforms that need them for different purposes. Selling photos online is a great way to make money online because you can turn your hobby or passion into income. You can sell the same photo multiple times to different buyers. You can earn royalties every time someone downloads or uses your photo. You can improve your skills and portfolio. However, selling photos online also has some drawbacks, such as you have to compete with other photographers for exposure and sales. You have to follow the quality and legal standards of the platforms you sell to. You have to share a percentage of your earnings with the platforms you sell to. You have to deal with copyright issues and disputes. To start selling photos online, you need to choose a niche or a topic that you are good at and enjoy taking photos of. Choose a platform or a marketplace that suits your style and goals, such as Shutterstock, iStock, or Adobe Stock. Create an account and upload your photos on the platform. Add relevant keywords and tags to your photos to make them searchable. Promote your photos and grow your downloads using SEO, social media, or other methods. The potential income you can earn from selling photos online depends on the number and type of photos you sell. According to the Balance Careers, the average earnings for stock photographers in India is 0.25 Indian rupees to 0.45 Indian rupees per download. However, some photographers can earn much more than that if they have high quality or unique photos. So, these are the 5 best ways to make money online with zero investment in 2023. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, Let me know in the comments which method you are going to try, or if you have any questions or suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.